These are the top 3 fidget toys I found on Amazon. The first product is going to be this set of metal rings. They are great for anxiety and stress and are great to keep your hands busy. The second product is this Magnum revolver spinner. It looks exactly like a real Magnum barrel. And the bullets are detachable. The final toy is going to be an infinity cube. This is great for stress and anxiety, and it'll keep you busy while you're working or working on schoolwork. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you can.